Hey guys, silverGameOfThrones here. Welcome back to my Sometimes I'm listening to people and they talking so much bullshit. So let's filter out you on my channel. I know you smart apes. We are not many, but you guys will rise with me. You guys will understand, and you already understand what's going on in this world. You are not, limited to silver only, gold only, crypto only. You have much wider look on everything what's going on economic place. This is why I want to tell you. You listen to smart people like Bill Holter. I have full respect. Silver, Wall Street Silver. I have full respect. But these people show you only one side of the coin, okay? And they don't really understand. Maybe they are old. I'm also not young, but I'm software developer. I'm working in blockchain. I'm working in financial, accounting, I know a lot of stuff. I was in 50 countries around the world. China, India, Australia. I see the world. I know what world is. I was in so many countries, and with all my experience, I want to share with you my view as a smart ape. What's going on? Gold, silver, Bitcoin, okay? Stay with me. It will be super interesting video, okay? Just let's start from this Bill Holter, okay? Just listen.
The crypto exchanges, though, I found that really interesting. The whole narrative behind crypto is they've tried to adopt the same language as the silver, as the gold market, be your own bank, right? If you want to separate yourself from the banking system. But when the crypto exchanges are doing these types of things where they limit withdrawals or they limit access to your own crypto, currency, doesn't it sort of destroy that narrative that crypto is a replacement for physical gold or physical silver?
Okay, so you see, we try to understand in this video what is better, gold, silver, or crypto, But again, I will ask you guys, you are smart people, why we need to fight between gold and silver? This is a big mistake these people are doing. They always try to show you, oh, gold is better. Oh, silver is better. Oh, crypto is junk. That's wrong. Okay, and if you watch my channel, I'm strong supporter of the best assets on this world. I'm strong supporter of the gold, silver, and best crypto. Not gold, silver, and crypto is junk, or crypto and gold, silver is junk. Everyone has his purpose. Let's listen to Bill Holter.
Yeah, because you have an intermediary between you and your money. So you're not, in fact, your own central bank. You're not your own bank. Gold in hand, silver in hand, or even vaulted in a private non-bank vault. It's out of the system. There's nothing that can stop you from liquidating it and using those funds to do whatever you want. In the case of these exchanges with the cryptocurrencies, there's obstacles, and you have counterparty risk, and they're just now finding out about counterparty risk, not to mention that the supposed asset itself is digital error. I think when all is said and done,
digital error. You see what he say? It's digital error. Error.
We're going to find out that these cryptocurrencies are actually less than what tulips were, because tulips were an actual, a bulb, a flower. Find out that cryptos are nothing but digital error.
Okay, so you understand what they try to tell you. Tulips, has much better value than crypto. How about people who are selling their properties and moving to Ukraine, or let's say to Russia, and use Bitcoin to make a transfer? How about Russia selling oil and getting payments in Bitcoin to be established, their restriction, to sell oil and gas? How about Salvador, who make Bitcoin, the primary currency, in this country. You know, this is what I try to say. These people don't understand. They don't understand. It's like, you know, it's similar to 2000 where people were, you know, say, oh, everything junk. But then from this junk came Google, right? The Google. From this junk came, what is it, Google? I don't know what I can see it. From this junk came, yeah, S&P. Google, which today is $2,200. From this junk came Amazon, which today is like $1.6. From this junk came Apple, and this is a company which has $1 trillion in market, okay? So, you know, before you say all is junk, guys, you need to do a little bit of homework. This is why Silver Game of Thrones is always say, gold, silver, you don't need a brain. You just go click on button, you buy. With crypto, you need a very, very intellectual brain. Why? Because mostly crypto is junk. Like this guy is telling you. He is right in some of cases, which is 99.9%. Most of this is junk. I do agree that there are a lot of junk and hype in there, but it doesn't mean that crypto is bad. Crypto, like a silver, if you do it right, has a private keys which you hold on cold wallet, and you hold your private keys and you open it. These people don't understand. They say it's sand. It has no value. How come if it has no value, Russia say oil and gas for Bitcoin, you know? So this is what I try to say. Guys, don't be on one side of the coin. Always look on integral picture. Always look on all sides. There is nothing like gold, silver, or crypto. This is like gold, silver, and the best proof of work. Crypto versus fiat currency. Fiat currency on one side, gold, silver, and proof of work crypto on another side. This is how I see it. This is how I promote it, okay? As more you will understand it, as better for you guys. Because in the end of the day, you will be rewarded, okay? Not people, not these people who see only one side of the picture. Not these people who is 100% with crypto. No, you need to be smart ape. You need to hold all the best assets like gold, silver, best crypto, and land, and food, and ammo, and guns. This is all assets which you need to own, because everyone has his purpose. If you need to send money, you know, and your son is in Canada, like my son, so what I need to do? I'm not going to bank. I'm sending him crypto. You need to understand, everyone has his purpose, guys. Okay, so gold, silver, and crypto, right? So gold, silver, and crypto. This is the dilemma. This is why so many people are limited to, you know, what I try to explain you. Very limited. At my channel, 3,000 people. And most people has 100, 1 million. Who are these people who promote only gold and silver? Right, because they say gold, silver is everything. All the rest is nothing. Okay, this is the money and the nothing. But this is a new era, guys. You need to understand. Who understand new era will be golden. New era of digital currency is coming. Love it or not, but digital currency is coming like a night express. So be with me and let me explain you. If you own private keys, then you can sleep well. But if your money on some exchanges, then you know he is right. It's all junk. It's not your money. Okay, so what else? You know, this is all between dollar, you know, the dollar and, you know, and another thing, you know. If you like to keep this, it's only losing value. We all know this. From 2013, when IRS, started, this dollar currency, it's going down. Today, value is nothing, okay? You all know what, just look on a debt clock, you know, how much debt we have. You all know that. Bitcoin, in opposite, has his cycles, you know, like this cycle, halving cycles. That's what I try to tell you. That's what I always try to promote you. If you don't understand this, it's okay. just stock gold, silver, okay, and be far away, brothers. But if you like me, who want to be above average, who want to be, you know, look into new era and be part of new era, then learn it, okay? But don't tell that it's junk because you don't understand it, it's junk, but it doesn't make it junk, right? So we talk about SAP, okay? I'm not looking into this because it's a way overpriced. It's a way overpriced, and it can make another leg twice up, but the chances, you know, risk reward, you know, it's this money printed from nothing. I don't want to take my money and put into Tesla, for example, and you know, and just listen what this guy, how he poop, what is he doing, because my life will depend on this guy. You understand? I don't want it. This is my money. I want to be responsible. This is why I like gold, silver, and the best crypto. I am responsible what I am owning. Many people say, oh, you can lose it. Yeah, you can lose it. You have your phone and you drop your phone when you came out from your car on parking station. So where is your phone? It's gone. Doesn't mean that your phone is bad? You understand? You take responsibility. You grow. You big guy. So you know how not to lose your phone. The same is for best cryptocurrency. You have your responsibility how to store it, in which wallet, and how to keep your private key secure. You know, your seeds, your 12 or 24 word seeds should be secure. And this way you know you are responsible, you own it, no one else can touch it. But this guy don't understand it. They don't understand it because they are not technical. All his life he was in gold and crypto. He don't understand the digital era. But you are, you younger, you smarter. So be like this, okay? SAP, we talk about this. A proof of work, okay? You see, now we will be talking about what I told you, right? What I told you guys, and you know what are levels. You see, Bitcoin Cash, $100. What I told you 1 month ago. Right, we are coming to these levels. Just listen to me, not your financial advisor, but you want to learn what I'm doing, just listen to me. And you will know when to buy, you will know when to sell, how to do it, you know. This is silverGameOfThrone sharing with you my experience, 7 years in gold, silver, and crypto. Okay, so what is halving, right? This is all about halving. This is what I wanted to tell you. This is what I told you many times, okay? It's all about halving. This is the halvings, guys. Bitcoin is a cycles, pure mathematics. Okay, in my videos, I always talk about best crypto which has halvings. Why? Because or it is Bitcoin or it is like a copy of Bitcoin. There is nothing wrong in this car, or let's say Lexus, right? On Infinity, right? It's not original car, but it's nothing wrong. They even make it better, right? It's the same for Litecoin. Bitcoin is very heavy. Bitcoin is 21 million, right? So you cannot buy coffee with Litecoin. You can, but you will pay a lot of network fees. For this, we have Litecoin. You want to be secure, you use T-Shell with the Zcash. You know, all this, altcoins, the best altcoin has his purpose, guys. You understand? This is why it's good to have Bitcoin and 10 other crypto, you know, because they have purpose. I'm not talking about hype. I'm not talking about centralized and private like XRP, Solana. They all centralized. They're all private. And you have no idea what's going on behind. It's the same buying Tesla. You have no idea. You just write this guy and you just watch this guy, how he is. And if something happened to your guy, this guy, say bye-bye, my money, okay? So Bitcoin, cycles, okay, where we are, in which cycle, where to buy, where to sell if you want to sell, okay? I'm looking into both. I'm looking into technology because I want to be my own bank. My own bank is a gold, crypto, and silver, my own bank. And also, using this technology, I also want to buy when it's cheap, right? Is it cheap today? Is it cheap this day, right? So when you know halving cycle, you know the 60,000 is definitely not cheap. 20,000 is definitely not cheap. I mean 3 years ago. 6 years ago, 1,000 definitely not cheap. Because we can see this cycle. The halving Bitcoins will be in 2 years. Okay, so in 2 years you see clearly we are coming to the bottom, guys. We are coming to the bottom. It was never better time was, you know, and it doesn't matter. I told you, Bitcoin between 15 and 25,000. will be next 2-3 months. Okay, we'll watch this now. So we are coming to the bottom and probably will be here. So how long? How long? Just learn history. How long? We started here from somewhere in January, right? And we finished somewhere in April. January, February, March, April, 3-4 months. Here we started somewhere also in December, and here we see February, right? December, January, February, March. You see also 3-4 months. So we know already, you know, because it's cycle. It's so easy to understand Bitcoin, guys. It's cycle, so we know when this cycle start and how long it continue. I mean, not ideally, but you know, more or less. So we know in next 2-3 months, just forget about Bitcoin. And it's not a drama. It doesn't mean I need to buy here and sell here. This is wrong. This is why I see all these people, oh, this is trash, Dash is trash. Your head is trash because you don't know, you don't want to learn, and this is your problem. This is not a Dash problem. This is not Litecoin. This is not a Bitcoin problem. You have a problem. So learn it, okay, and say, okay, I did mistake. Everyone did mistake. I also did mistake. There is no people who did mistake, but the smart people, they do mistakes, they learn from mistake, okay? So we know the next 2-3 months, it will be, you know, the dying process, you know, it will be a liquidations, it will be a process when, you know, no one want it, well, everyone hate it. It's normal. As more people hate it, as more I know, it's time to buy, okay? We'll be watching this. So just see. So next halving will be in 2 years, okay? So usually what happens, you see on a halving time. You see on a halving time, this is a halving time. Let me make it another color, okay? So you better understand. This is a halving time, you see? This is a halving time. This is a halving time, okay? So what happened with the halving time? Usually price somewhere in the middle, you see? When halving happens, some price in the middle, okay? So we have bottom, we have up prices, in the middle it's halving. Bottom, high price, middle and high. It's the same here. We don't know. Is it the final? Is it not a final? Maybe it was a final because we have so much money today. Trillions of dollars. So it rise less and it fell less. You need to understand. Everyone who expects Bitcoin like $5,000-$10,000, good luck. You don't understand. Bitcoin today is 1 trillion asset. Everyone is looking into Bitcoin because there are so many of these, you know, institutions which has tons of money, don't know what to do with this money because money keep printing, right? And they have tons of money. And if Bitcoin will fall to 10,000, trust me, it will be, everything will be bought in one day because there is only 21 million, just, you know, information. Today I saw that there are around 1 million Bitcoin wallets with less than 1 Bitcoin. 1 million wallets, okay, with less than 1 Bitcoin, okay? This is huge. These people are not buying to sell it, guys. You need to understand. It's only grows. The community grows. The more and more people understand it. And if you know, all these people who think, you know, buy low, sell high, they just don't understand this technology. You can say buy low, sell high for everything here. But what is behind Amazon? Behind Amazon is possibility for you to buy today, and in like half days they will drop you near your house, right? You know, behind Google, it's like to get any information you want on the internet, right? Behind Apple to buy the best technology, the best phone. You need to understand, it's not only buy low and sell high. It's also technology inside. It cannot be $1 trillion if no one is using this. People start to use it. 1 billion wallets, 1 million wallets, less than 1 Bitcoin, guys. That is huge, okay? It's not going to be nothing. It's not going to be zero. These people don't understand what they are talking about. You need to understand. I have respect, but they don't see whole picture, okay? So don't be like this. Listen what they have strong points, okay? But be skeptical when they are talking bullshit. I am also talking bullshit from time to time, but what is this? 95% what I'm talking is golden. So okay, 5% bullshit much better than, you know, this media talking about 100% bullshit. Okay, so let's move on. I always look on Grayscale, you know, these big guys, what they are doing, okay? They're not selling, guys. You need to understand, it's a waiting, it's like a fishing. It's a waiting period, you see? For 640, almost 1 million BTC. Are they selling? 35, 250, 1,000 in 1 month. You know, just, you know, bonds their books because they need to show some profits, some, you know, it's nothing, guys. 1,640,000, nothing. I can believe if they sell minimum 5%, it will be 30,000 Bitcoin. Nothing here. For Ethereum, nothing here. You know, Ethereum Classic, that's all they hold, guys. There is nothing here. 27,000 they sold when they own 12 millions. You understand? This is a very teeny percentage. Litecoin, how much they sold? 3,000. You know, just bonds their books. Bitcoin Cash, it's the same they are holding. This is what I am buying, guys. Zcash. You see, where everyone was telling me Zcash is garbage, I was buying Zcash. And Zcash, one of the best assets in altcoins. You need to understand why? Because it's the best technology behind. It can do whatever Litecoin do it can do whatever Ethereum Classic doing, and it also secure. And he has T-shells when no one can watch what address you send, what address you receive. You understand? It's a, you know, very smart people behind this, all this project. And it's also public, some kind of public, right? It's an electrical company behind this, you know, but it cannot be 100%, but it's also open source. You know, everything which open source, you know, you can trust. And then we have this, you know, this Zen is also okay. But then we have Mana, all this APT, all this, you know, they play this game. But it's teeny, guys. You need to understand how much it's $8 million, you know. How do you compare $8 million to $12 billion? Okay, so everything as usual, right? Greed, fear index, okay? Like just look here what happened, you know, all in 1 year. You see, we never was in these levels, you know. These levels is the lowest levels, you know. Lowest level. We now in this lowest level because fear, you know, greed is gone. Now it's fear. So I'm buying here when I'm high. This is what most people do, and I'm selling here. You see, this is the buy zone. This is the sell zone. Okay. Are you like this? I'm not. This is why you listen to my channel. Okay. So I'm quiet. All I do today, rebalance my portfolio, okay, maybe sell something which I think, you know, not in use, just to move in other assets, okay. For example, I'm maybe selling some of my premium silver, you know, just to move into some more cheap silver, you know, more better proof of work, you know, currency, or buy some fraction gold. Everyone has his, just example for you, everyone has his own strategy, right? So altcoin season, it's definitely not altcoin season. We all know this, everything is failing today. Just another indicator. Okay, so let's come to charts. Now, I am not TA. I never do technical analysis for you. This is not a TA. This is long to middle term pictures. I'm showing you my view, long to middle picture. And this is monthly, guys. This is monthly or weekly, okay? So again, it's long to middle term. I don't know why this guy cannot move. It always stay here, killing me. Okay, so for example, this guy is weekly, you see? This is weekly, okay? Long to middle. Okay, so what do you learn from here? You see some interesting observation here, right? Trend line, you see? When it was here, you see? What is going on now? You see? It's going up. It's going up the RSI, and it's going up the MACD. Okay, why? Because it's Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance usually grow when there is a bear market. Okay, so we are in bear market here. Okay, this with Bitcoin dominance is grow. When Bitcoin dominance will fail, then we will be in bull market, because altcoin grow much faster than Bitcoin. I think you learn with me all this, right? Let's move next. Okay, last time what I say, remember what I say, guys? Nothing changed. It's the same picture I have it here. So what I say, for next 2-3 months, 15 to 25,000. This is where I And this is what I last time I talked to you. Today Bitcoin is even 19,000, so it's going down. Is it like I projected? Yes. Do I know everything? Hell no. But based on my experience, 6-7 years, I can understand what is going to happen, guys. What is going to happen? Now, if I look on bars, how long we were in this bear market, it was like 385 days. It's more than a year in previous you know, bear market. More than a year. Okay. Interesting how was, okay, this is, we will not see, but we can also do here. Let's take here just to see in this. Yeah, 231 day. Okay, this is kind of it kind of yeah, it kind of 8 months, you see. So what does it mean? Less money, shorter time, you know, between bull and bear market. Okay, so you see, more money, longer time, right? And I believe this time will be a little bit different. This time we are already 485 days. You see, it is 1.5 year, right? 1.5, 2, 3, yeah, 360. 1.5 year we already in a bear market. You understand, guys? So 1.5 years it's going on. Okay, this I just put it here. This is where we are. This is I just put it here from previous. You know, just what is my expectation. So again, you see, this is my expectation. We will be going down. Okay, I believe the previous. Okay, let me make it monthly here. I don't know why I cannot it like monthly. Okay, and then it will be much better to understand. This is what I tried to tell you last time. You see, last time I told you, right? This bar, the candles, right? The candles. You see this candle. We don't really see 20,000, but we see strong candle up to 14,000. This is why silverGameOfThrones, the smart ape, is thinking that this time the low will be around the same, which is 14,000, 15,000. This is why I mark my, you know, my low target, okay, in these areas, guys, okay, between 14 and 25, okay, in next 2-3 months. And it's coming. You see, it's coming. Bitcoin has a lot of money. It is not going to happen in one day. It was not last days. Bitcoin was moving like $2,000-3,000 one day. Forget about this. Today is much harder to move Bitcoin. It requires a normal amount of money. Okay, so I believe we'll see this capitulation slowly. May it reach this target? I don't know. Do you think I am, you know, I know everything? I don't know. But my expectation that somewhere here we will be next 2-3 months. And I'm telling you, you don't need to care about bottom. You don't need to care. This is the wrong way to do it. Because if you know that you are in bear market, if you know we are coming approximately to this level, and if you have dry powder, some cash, you just buy a dollar cost average when you feel it comfortable for you guys. Okay, that's what I am doing. Okay, I schedule, you know, accumulate some dry powder, and then I'm buying. This is what I am doing. Okay, but I know that this level, okay, is coming. This level is coming. Let me mark it this level. 1 second. Let me mark it this level. Okay. You see this level between 100 and $130,000. It's coming, guys. I don't know when, but I think in next 1-2 years we are gonna see this. Maybe even faster. We don't know what happened. Maybe it will be different picture. And if I know that it is coming, what I need to do? Do I need to panic? No, I don't need to panic because I am too smart to panic. I know that all I need to accumulate at the right time, because when this time will come, the only question you will ask yourself, why you didn't buy more? Okay? Why? Because you're not making money here. You're making money here, guys. This is a big difference between, you know, people who like me, because you can buy tons of altcoins today. You understand? Let's say $20,000. You can buy, I don't know, like 500 Dash probably today. 500 Dash. Think about when Dash will be for $500, you know, and it will cost $250,000 what you bought, and you only spend $20,000. You can buy one Bitcoin. You can buy 500 Dash. You understand? It's all personal choice, guys, okay? I'm not here to tell you buy this or buy this or buy this, okay? So I usually, what I do in my experience, I try to make it equal, okay? Whatever I invest in gold, whatever I invest in silver, whatever I invest in cash, fiat cash, whatever I invest in a property, whatever I invest in rental property, whatever I invest in crypto should be more or less equal, okay? This way you can stabilize your portfolio. You are not, you know, keeping all your eggs in one asset. It is stupid, guys. It's stupid. No one knows future. But by doing this, by keeping your, you know, asset in a best portfolio and more or less equal, you know, if cryptocurrency will not go crazy, then silver. If silver will not go crazy, then gold. If gold not go crazy, then properties, then land, then fiat maybe, you know, because fiat last leg maybe, you know, everyone will catch, you know, the cash money. Okay, so I hope you understand. Next, Ethereum Classic. That's what, you know, my previous, I told you, this is the lowest level to watch, like 10 bucks. Today is like 14 bucks. Exactly. 10-20%, if Bitcoin will fall to these levels, 10-20%, we will be catching Ethereum Classic around $10. Will it happen? Something is telling me yes. Something is telling me yes, then we're going to, because it has its spikes almost to $10. And if you put your, you know, you know, buying zone like $10-11, you probably can catch it. But again, no one knows. It's just expectation and speculation, okay? Because what we know. Okay, Litecoin, you know, this is what my levels. I told you last time, nothing changed here. And we are coming to the level, 50 bucks. I put my levels between 30 and 40 bucks. Will it happen? This is the difference between me and all these people which cannot sleep. I do not care. You need to understand. I do not care. If it will never happen, let it be. I will never buy Litecoin on this level. But so what? My life will change. You see, understand what I'm talking about. Will be, you know, it will opportunity. God will give me opportunity to buy this level. Good. If not, I will have another asset. Maybe I will make less profit, but it's not end of the life. Bitcoin Cash. That's what I told you guys. And we exactly $100. Remember, some guys say, oh, I was buying 107. It's also not bad, or 110. It's also bad. But I personally, you know, as a smart ape, I have my target. And I know my target should be somewhere in these levels. Will it fall more than 80 bucks? Okay. But still, I was buying much better than many others, you understand? You can understand from here, even from here, you know. The most of time, here and here. The most of time, this coin was, oh, sorry. Let me mark it again. Okay. So the most of time, this coin was where? On this area. You see? 99% in this area. And the 1% where Bitcoin Cash was in this area. 1%, guys. So where you want to buy? This is where I am buying, okay? I have my target and I'm buying here, okay? I don't care what's going here. If it go today to 120 bucks, I'm quiet. I'm happy what I have. This, you know, you need to be balanced inside yourself. You don't need to, you know, wake up, oh, I'm losing, or I'm, you know, my chances, you know, it's all bullshit, guys. This drama is not for you. And then, you know, when we are looking into, you know, this is what I told you, the trend, you see. So the price is going down, okay? You see the price is going down. But the power, okay, is going down. But the power, you see, it's hard to see here. Hard to see here, but trust me, I can see the power, okay, on pushing down is much less. It's like this, you understand? Hard to see here. So less and less people are selling, you know, because they, you know, the people who understand, who has money, they see this. You think if you see, they don't see this, that Bitcoin below 80 bucks, you know, in the last 4 or 5 years was, you know, 1%. This is why they, you know, they will be buying here. This is why Bitcoin will protect, Bitcoin Cash will protect this level, okay? Litecoin, okay, brother Litecoin, this is my areas. Oh, not Litecoin. Ah, Litecoin we already talked. Okay, this is my area, 30, 40 bucks. Okay, Zcash. Okay, it's coming to my areas. I told you, right? This is the area when, you know, very nice to buy between 45 and 55 bucks. It's already in this area. Okay. Is it good? Yeah, probably it's you know, for someone who is thinking, you know, for accumulation zone. But if you take in consideration that Bitcoin may fall another 10%, but don't forget, you know, this is very interesting. So this coin, it's not like everything falling, this falling, because, you know, when everything falling, this coin, because people are also smart, and you see when it start to bounce, it recover crazy. It can recover to 70 bucks even. When Bitcoin $18, okay? So don't have this expectation, then it will fail. Oh, Bitcoin 10%, this also 10. It may never fail, then maybe it's at bottom. You understand? The 50 bucks is the bottom for which you will see. Because if you bounce to 70, it fell again to 55, something like this, it will bounce. We never know. This is why I always say, you know, don't lose opportunities, okay? You have opportunities, use it. Not your financial advisor. The Dash, you see the Dash, my area of buying, you know, 30 to 40 bucks, somewhere in this area. You know, it's coming to this area, okay? A little bit patient, okay? The buying zone, okay? Not this zone. Dash is trash. It's always trash if you buy here. And it's excellent. They have Dash, you know, payment, direct payment, credit card. You can use Dash everywhere. You can buy with Dash on BitPay, you know. It's excellent tool. I like Dash, especially today when it's so cheap. This is my area. Okay, the DigiByte. We talk about the DigiByte is similar to Ethereum Classic, right? If you talk about Ethereum Classic, you see Ethereum Classic, this is the levels. And Dash, it's very similar. You see, the Dash, you know, it follows this kind of trend. And we see here, if you move it here, we see it break down this trend, okay? But sales are teeny, guys. There's not much sales. You see, even here, you see, it may recover literally in a couple of days. Look here, no one's selling. Look here, price is going down, but no one's selling. This can tell you guys, okay? Just be smart. Don't be in panic, okay? It will recover. Of course it will recover, because these are, you know, the best proof of work products, okay? These products are the best, okay? This is not like your Solana and, you know, your XRP garbage, where people only, you know, buying, you know, in hope it will go to $1,000. Yeah, you know, if you do like this, I'm sorry, but, you know, you're probably idiot. If you hope that you buy in 1 cent, it will be $1,000, you're probably idiot. You will not make any of money. But if you follow good technology, okay, and you know how cycles work, you know about it halving, and you know that your expectation much less, your expectation like 5x, 10x, then you probably a smarter guy on this planet, okay? Because you don't follow bullshit, you follow real stuff. That's what I am doing, okay? Okay, so yeah, I you know, for me, next 1-2 years, it's easy $1, okay? It's easy $1. So it's a normal power, guy. Today it's 1 cent. You understand? 1 cent to $1. And when it will be $1, no one will remember when it was 1 cent, okay? So just make a right choice, guys. And Bitcoin Gold, one last I want to see, you know, because Bitcoin Gold, I see Bitcoin somehow gold is also not a bad asset, because you see, it's really, you know, was sparking. This is what I told you about Bitcoin Gold when it was $9. It went to $160. You watch my video. I told you it's going to Bora Boom. And it went to $100. Okay, so someone make a lot of money with me when I did this video. Now, you know, it's also, yeah, I'm watching it. Okay, so probably see it already found on this, you know, on this, what we call it, Fibonacci, right? Fibonacci already found the bottom. You see this level, like $13, already found the bottom. Okay, maybe yes, maybe no. It's all, you know, what we think. But you see, it's already bouncing around this area. So maybe it's not a bad area, you know. The $12 for Bitcoin Gold, because the chances that it will go to like $300, it's very high. Okay, guys, so I think it was very nice, very informative video, and I spent 30 minutes today. So put your comments, okay? Do you like my videos? You don't like my videos? You know, what is your strategy? What are you buying? I say like this, you know, First of all, balance it, okay? Never be all in one. And second, if you talk about crypto, I prefer also balance it, like 50% Bitcoin and 50% in best altcoins. You may choose best altcoin like 10, okay? Like what we have here, best altcoin, 10 of them, okay? Just don't try everything, okay? Choose maybe 10 of the strongest, you know, and then one it's not so strong, like maybe one gigabyte, which is the lowest level, right? Maybe another, like maybe Verge, you know, like for, you know, for balance your portfolio. But to, you know, to keep Litecoin, you know, Zcash and Dash is no brain. Now, who from them will be winner? No one knows. Okay, I can only, we may think it's Zcash Litecoin, but it may be Dash in them. You understand? So let's not speculate, but balancing your portfolio with the right coins, with the gold and silver, okay? Because what happened tomorrow if no electricity? You still have a gold and silver. What happened tomorrow if gold and silver not at you? You still have a fiat. And what happened with your property? You can rent it, you can make some cash. So be smart, ape, okay? Hold everything and you will be golden, because next 2-3 years it will be very tough time. silverGameOfThrone was with you, talking about real stuff. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, hit notification, share. Thank you very much, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.